Alright, so as you guys can obviously tell, the setup is a little bit different, and that's because I have an unboxing today. And actually, there's quite a few items, so I wanted to do it with my table in front of me, whereas I usually shoot over there off screen. So I was originally going to do a video about the Primitive Naruto collaboration the previous week, right before the launch of it, but just because of how close it would have been to the launch, I decided to hold off on it, and I figured I'd do a video on the collection with an unboxing to start. So I will be unboxing a ton of stuff that I bought in a little bit. But yeah, first I want to say a couple things about the collaboration in general. So Naruto or Naruto, however you guys want to pronounce it, has been doing a lot of collaborations lately. You go back to last spring or I don't know, it was like a year ago or something. They did a collaboration with Bape, and I actually wasn't too crazy about it. I thought there were some decent pieces, but a lot of it kind of swayed towards that like Baby Milo stuff. And then also very recently we had a collaboration between Naruto and Coach, with Michael B. Jordan kind of driving the creative direction. And on top of that, there are also a bunch of different other places you can get Naruto clothing, merch, whatever you want to call it. One place is PacSun, and I actually have one of these PacSun shirts. I thought it was kind of cool. You got more of like a comic book cover style design on the front, and then also on the back, nice little Hokage text or whatever. But yeah, I thought this was decent. I like how it's like kind of worn to look like it's vintage or whatever. But yeah, I thought that was a decent design. They also have some more designs, but they kind of lead in towards the like more mall-core stuff. I mean, I'm sure that is, but I'm a big Naruto fan, so I decided to get it. Uniqlo also has a ton of different anime stuff, especially Shonen Jump, but they do it in collections, so I think they don't have any Naruto stuff right now, I believe. They might just have some pieces, but only for youth. I'm not sure. It's kind of weird with the Shonen Jump, kind of hard to get adult sizes. But yeah, with that being said, when I was looking at a lot of the designs in this collaboration, kind of reminded me of the Supreme Akira collaboration, because of reasons we'll see soon. And if you guys don't know what I'm talking about, actually, I busted out the Supreme Akira Neo Yokio shirt, I think it was called. Actually, it might have been called Neo Tokyo. I think Neo Yokio was that Jaden Smith show that was kind of dookie. But yeah, anyway, with all that stuff out of the way, I'm gonna bust open this box, and I actually spent over $100. I think it was originally like $130, the full cart total. But then actually kind of cool, they had 15% off if you sign up for their newsletter, like you give them your email. But yeah, let's get this open. I actually don't even need a knife, I don't think. So we got not one shirt, all kind of cool tag. Not two shirts, but 3 shirts. And wait, there's more. What could this be? But yeah, then the box is empty. Actually, there's some more stuff. Just a shipping thing. Also saw they had stickers for the collaboration, but you had to buy the stickers separately, which I thought was kind of whack. I'm always a big believer in free stickers. So yeah, we'll start off with this white t-shirt first. This is actually just a picture of like a ton of the characters. And I've never ordered from Primitive before, so I decided to get a couple different sizes. I went with 2 just regular t-shirts and then 1 long sleeve. And usually, like, I don't know, I say this in a lot of my videos, but I usually don't get white t-shirts, just because I hate having to take care of them, like if you get a stain or something. So if I do get a white t-shirt, I'll usually rock like a size above what I usually get. I usually get large, so I went safe and got an XL on this one, so I can just wash the shit out of it if something does get on it, and I won't have to worry about it shrinking. But yeah, that being said, this is a pretty simple design. You got a bunch of people from the gang there. I'm not sure what it says behind, maybe like the Hidden Leaf Village or something. But yeah, Naruto branding, and then Primitive. And you know, it's hard to go wrong. It's just like a bunch of characters, a bunch of cool characters. But yeah, I think this is dope, and I do like it. Alright, so XL definitely fits a little bit big, but not too big to where it's like, oh, this is uncomfortable. I just think this is like a little bit baggy. And I'm sure it'll shrink when I wash it, so good choice with the XL. But yeah, other than that, it doesn't feel like a crazy high quality blank. Um, it's a little soft, a little stiff, kind of hard to tell. It feels pretty thin. And then as far as the screen printing goes, I think it's decent screen printing. No complaints about it. So yeah, next to contrast that, we'll open up. I have another short sleeve shirt, but this time it is just a large instead of the extra large, because this is black, so don't have to worry about staining it too much. And this one is actually a pretty simple one. This is one of the graphics that they were kind of like going heavy with. Just a primitive font and then Naruto running at the viewer with a Rasengan in his hand. And then on the sleeve you also have some Naruto Shippuden branding right here. Alright, so we got the large on now, and I feel like the large is right on the border of being like perfect and maybe a little bit too small, so I have to be careful when I wash it for sure. But if you guys are concerned about your sizing, because if you guys do want to buy some of this stuff, or a lot of the other pieces, there are tons of pieces in this collection, then go on there. There's still a bunch of stuff in stock. I'm pretty sure everything I have is still in stock. But yeah, if you guys are wondering, I usually wear a large. I sometimes border large and extra large. Usually just when it comes to like washing stuff, if it shrinks a lot, I'll have to get an XL. But yeah, as far as that goes, like I said, with the extra large white shirt, that's why I got extra large, because I usually just wash that and like make sure it gets as clean as it can, whereas the darker colored shirts, I'll just like throw it in the washer for a little bit, pull it out, and let it hang dry. So moving on to the final shirt we have. This one is a long sleeve, and I went with a large. I don't know. Long sleeves are really tough because I'm super tall. I'm like 6'3", and I got this massive wingspan. So a lot of the times, it's hard to get a brand that, you know, it does right proportions. I think Carhartt Whip is one of the ones that just like every shirt I buy has like perfect dimensions, like sleeves are perfect, torso is perfect, and that's for their size larges. But with some other brands, it's like large is way too small, especially on the sleeves. Then I'll have to rock stuff like pulled up a little bit. So I guess we'll see how this fits. But before we get into the fit, I want to show off the design. So this is really what reminded me of the Supreme Akira collaboration. You have Primitive, and then I'm guessing that's Kakashi Hatake spelt out, but I'm not sure. And then below it, you guys probably can't see, it says Primitive Naruto Kakashi. And just for reference of the Supreme Akira one, you got Akira pasted over Supreme. And then also on the back, if you guys didn't know, it's pretty dope. That's why it's called the Neo Tokyo shirt. It's got the big explosion. But yeah, moving on, we have a design on the back. You got Kakashi there, you got Primitive, the spell out in Japanese, and then once again, Primitive, all that good stuff, and then a Sharingan. And then lastly, you got the Primitive P down here, and then the Hidden Leaf Village logo, emblem, whatever you want to call it. As predicted, the sleeves are a little bit short. I mean, you guys can tell right here, a little bit short, so most of the time I'm probably gonna have to rock it like this. But yeah, still not disappointed. I like it. I'm a big Kakashi fan. He's one of my favorites, so happy with the purchase. And if you guys are wondering what the last item is, we'll unbox it right now. So this is like probably the only item that I actually kind of needed, because I always got a bunch of stuff and I don't really know where to put it. So I've been going to like, oh, if I'm thrifting, I'll be looking for something along these lines, like a little holder, and I think this will be perfect to put my keys in. Just a nice little tray. You got, like I said, they were using the, actually this one's a little bit different, but they used the logo of Naruto with the Rasengan running quite a bit in this collection. And then on the back you got Naruto Shippuden, and then some copyright stuff below it. But yeah, overall, I think this is a really cool collection. I don't think they took like the crazy route or tried anything crazy or experimental with any of the designs. I think they're all pretty, you know, like safe stuff that they knew people would buy. I was really happy to see them do an accessory, especially like this, something that I need. I think this is cool. Was hoping this would have been a little bit bigger, but it's not that bad. Once again, if you guys do want to look at the collection, buy something from the collection, just go over to Primitive, whatever. I think they have it like all over their homepage. When you click, it'll just bring you to the Naruto stuff. So if you guys want, I think all this is still in stock, so probably won't be selling out anytime soon. I also think it is in stock at Zoomies. I'm not sure about all the pieces, but I've seen a couple pieces there at least. And then once again, if you guys are buying from them, you can sign up for their newsletter, and it gives you 15% off. So I saved, like 20 bucks when I did it, and then you can just immediately unsubscribe from it so you don't get the constant emails or texts or whatever they're trying to send you. But yeah, that's about it. Thank you for watching. Let me know what you guys think about the collection. Are you big fans of this? We recently saw Primitive do a Dragon Ball Z collaboration, which was also a very, very big collection. A lot of pieces. This Naruto one's very big, a lot of pieces. So which anime would you like to see them collaborate with next? Yeah, that's it though. Thank you for watching. Leave a like, comment, subscribe, or don't do any of that. Enjoy the rest of your day. I just noticed this when I was cleaning up. These are stickers, so that's pretty dope.